Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and it's the 3rd, so that means it's time for another Inktober prompt. Here's the sketchbook, and the prompt is a Nightingale, which is a bird. And I'm not a huge fan of birds, but we'll try to do something here. We'll start with the head, and then we got the booty, and we got a little tail, a winky, another winky, a buck, and maybe have it sitting on something here. Maybe we'll kind of like surround it, like frame it with some leafy bits and stuff. Maybe some more branches coming in. Feeling the page, you know. Some leafy bits coming off of this as well. Alright, I think we have like everything set in a good spot. Now it's time to go in and fix up everything and make it more better. I don't know. What am I trying to say here? I think I want to put the tail a little bit more out this way. Maybe we don't even need the feet showing. How about that? Maybe just a little bit showing. Okay, now that I got like a general thing going on here, I want to make it my own and not look too much like the reference I'm using. So this might not end up looking super like a nightingale when I'm done, because I want the wings to be a bit more sporadic looking. Man, I hope I can see all this when I go to do the outlines. All the pencil over pencil I'm doing here. I have no idea what kind of tree I decided to put this little guy on, but it's got these kind of leaves and these kind of branches. May not be super accurate to what they would actually be living in and around. I mean, I'm not looking at like a reference for the tree. This is what I was trying to say there. All right, I think that's the sketch I'm going to go with. Let's get some liners here. I think I'm going to go with my microns today, just in case I have the urge to color this. It would be with alcohol markers. We'll see when we get there, of course. So instead of erasing with a kneaded eraser like I did last time, I decided I don't really like doing that because I hate the feeling of kneaded erasers and I hate how dirty they are. I'm just gonna go in and do what I usually do, and that's doing a thin line art, erasing, and then picking everything up, you know, usually after coloring. It depends on if I feel like coloring afterwards. So I'm going to go in with my size 3. You can't see it. It rubbed off. That's how often I use this one. It's size 3 though, I promise. Let's get inking. I've decided that I'm going to be using alcohol markers to color this in before I do the final lines. So I'm going to insert my little sheet here, and I'm going to start coloring. I'm going to use an assortment of brands: Ohuhu, Mondo, Llama, Five Below, whatever. So I actually want the background to be pretty dark, but I don't have a dark blue, so I'm going to try to layer this blue with black. We'll see if it works. If not, oh well. Well, this blue is already running out, so that could be a problem. Alright, moment of truth. Will this layer or will it just completely cover it up? It completely covers it, but I guess that's fine. That just means I don't have to color as many layers. Maybe. I'm now done coloring, so I'm gonna go in and touch up the line art. Alright, I am all done. I tried to make it look like a nighttime sky, but it might look more like snow. That's okay. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out despite not really being into the prompt that much. But that is going to be it for me. Be sure to join me again on the 5th for Oil Lamp. If you want to check out another Inktober video or playlist, you can go ahead and tap the thumbnail here. If you want to catch up on anything Mish, you can go ahead and tap the thumbnail here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of comment, liking, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!